Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. Aspirin was originally obtained from the bark of which tree? Is it A. Birch, B. Cypress, C. Elm, or D. Willow? The answer is D. Willow.
The humble willow tree holds a secret. Its bark was the original source of aspirin. Ancient civilizations, including the Greeks and Egyptians, used willow bark for pain relief long before modern medicine. This natural remedy paved the way for one of the most widely used medications in history.
Question 2. Electrum is a natural alloy of gold and what other metal? Is it A. Titanium, B. Zinc, C. Iron, or D. Silver? The answer is D. Silver.
Electrum, a naturally occurring alloy of gold and silver, was highly prized in ancient times for its unique pale yellow hue. The Egyptians used it to cap the pyramids and craft coins as early as 600 BC. Its reflective quality made it a symbol of divine light and power.
Question 3. What was the Colossus, developed in Buckinghamshire in 1943? Is it A. a supersonic bomber, B. a nuclear-resistant tank, C. a code-breaking computer, or D. an intercontinental missile? The answer is C. a code-breaking computer.
The Colossus, developed in 1943 at Bletchley Park, was the world's first programmable digital electronic computer. It played a crucial role in deciphering the Lorenz encrypted messages used by the German military during World War II. This groundbreaking machine significantly shortened the war and laid foundational stones for modern computing technology.
Question 4. What is ecophysiology the study of? Is it A. Bats, B. the art of bell ringing, C. redemption, or D. how the environment interacts with an organism? The answer is D. how the environment interacts with an organism.
Ecophysiology delves into the fascinating dance between organisms and their environments, exploring how creatures adapt to challenges like extreme temperatures or scarce resources. Imagine a cactus thriving in arid deserts by storing water, or Arctic fish producing antifreeze proteins to survive icy waters, nature's ingenious survival strategies at their finest.
Question 5. Cocci, Spirilla, and Streptococci are types of what? Is it A. blood cell, B. bacteria, C. gland, or D. virus? The answer is B. bacteria.
Cocci, Spirilla, and Streptococci are fascinating bacterial shapes that resemble tiny art forms under a microscope. Cocci are spherical like little pearls, Spirilla twist in spirals akin to microscopic corkscrews, and Streptococci form chains reminiscent of strings of beads. These diverse shapes help bacteria adapt to various environments.
Question 6. A Phon is a unit of what? Is it A. electrical resistance, B. loudness, C. radiation, or D. light? The answer is B. loudness.
The Phon is a unit that measures perceived loudness, reflecting how humans actually hear sound. Unlike decibels, which measure sound intensity, Phons account for the ear's sensitivity to different frequencies. This means a 40 Phon sound at 1 kHz is perceived as equally loud as any other frequency at the same Phon level.
Question 7. A boomer is the male of which animal? Is it A. Kangaroo, B. Squirrel, C. Crocodile, or D. Cow? The answer is A. Kangaroo.
In the world of kangaroos, a male is called a boomer, while females are known as flyers and their young are joeys. Boomers can leap over 30 feet in a single bound and reach speeds up to 35 miles per hour, making them the ultimate marsupial athletes of the outback.
Question 8. Which is an example of a sexually transmitted disease? Is it A. Thyroid cancer, B. Gastritis, C. Chlamydia, or D. Parkinson's? The answer is C. Chlamydia.
Chlamydia, a common sexually transmitted infection, is often dubbed the silent disease because it frequently presents no symptoms. Despite its stealthy nature, it's highly treatable with antibiotics. If left unchecked, however, it can lead to serious health issues like infertility. Interestingly, koalas also suffer from chlamydia outbreaks in the wild.
Thanks for joining our scientific safari. We hope your neurons are charged and your curiosities in bloom. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of nature. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until tomorrow, farewell. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.